What a scorcher.
I know, and once again it's going to be very warm, and in fact it's staying warm for the rest of the week. But into Thursday we are looking at the risk of some thunderstorms, and we already have a warning for that. Some of those could bring some torrential downpours, but for this afternoon it's set fair. We've got some high cloud around. That might just make the sunshine a little bit hazy at times, but it's a lovely warm afternoon if that's your kind of thing, with temperatures once again up at around 25 to possibly even 27 degrees. We've got sea breezes along the coast, so temperatures won't be quite as high there. So through this evening it looks fine with some sunshine, and then overnight I think we'll see more cloud developing, particularly across eastern areas. The North York moors might be a little bit misty and murky, and temperatures overnight will drop back to around 13 or 14 degrees. So another warm day to come tomorrow, but a bit more cloud. The mist and the murk will lift, but overall there'll be a little bit more cloud around. The very small chance of the odd isolated shower, but for most places it does look like it's set dry. And temperatures once again will be above average for the time of year. Looking further ahead into Thursday, as we wake up on Thursday morning, there could be some torrential downpours about. We keep the heat into Friday.
Keeley, thank you. We'll keep you posted.
And it's been another very warm day. You can see people enjoying the river in Knaresborough here in the sunshine. The warm weather continues throughout the week, but on Thursday we have got a warning for thunderstorms. I'll be back with all the details later in the programme.
I'm not sleeping very well. Not that I'm whinging, but the nights are very warm.
Don't complain.
No, I'm loving it.
Well, it has officially been a heat wave in West Yorkshire, so we've exceeded the heat wave threshold there of 25 degrees 3 consecutive days. We've actually exceeded 25 degrees in South Yorkshire as well, but I'm afraid the heat wave threshold there is 26 degrees, so we haven't had a heat wave there. This was sunset last night near Wakefield. Some lovely colours there, and we've been getting loads of lovely pictures of the fine weather coming in over the last few days. The second picture, Revo Abbey, looking lovely underneath very sunny skies there today. You can keep your pictures coming in to the Weather Watchers page, or we're on social media as well, Keeley.Donovan on Instagram. So we're going to keep the heat for the rest of the week. Tomorrow, though, there is a bit more cloud in the forecast, and then as we move through into Thursday, we do have an early warning for thunderstorms. There could be some torrential downpours, particularly through the morning rush hour. Friday doesn't look so bad, still very warm, but then this weather system spreads in for Friday night into Saturday. It's a cold front, and it will bring fresher conditions with temperatures returning to the seasonal norm for the weekend. You can't make it out really on the satellite picture because it's a lot of high cloud out there at the moment, but it has stopped temperatures getting quite as high as yesterday, and I think there will be a bit more cloud around through this evening and overnight. There could even be a little bit of mist and murk, particularly across the North York moors, but generally a quiet night, temperatures down to around 13 or 14 degrees. Let's have a quick look at those high water times then at 1:10 in Scarborough and at 1:37 in Bridlington. So tomorrow, essentially another fine day. A lot of dry weather, although there is the small risk of a shower, and a lot of warm weather once again. But you can see from the graphics, there's just going to be a bit more cloud about compared with today. Still some brighter, sunnier spells at times, and temperatures still above average for the time of year. We could well still get up to around 25 degrees. And once again, it will be that little bit fresher along the coast where we have got a sea breeze. The sea temperature this time of year is probably no more than around 17 degrees. Tomorrow evening, more of the same. We'll have some cloud, we'll have some spells of sunshine as well. And then looking further ahead into Thursday, a muggy, humid night overnight into Thursday. Through the early hours of Thursday, we've got widespread thunderstorms developing. There could be some torrential downpours. Those will greet us on Thursday morning. That main body of thunderstorms will move away. We could see the odd one continuing for the afternoon, but generally not as bad as first thing, and still looking very warm. Very warm still on Friday. We should have some sunshine ahead of an overnight front, which will bring us rain first thing on Saturday. Amy.
Maybe a nightcap will help with the sleep.
It always helps with sleep, I'm sure.
That is it from us.